know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, all the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Down in the depths of my soul, feeling the loss of control, and in the spirit so colorful. If you feel it, then let's go to a place where you belong. Give you strength to carry on. Open your heart, set your mind at ease. Live your life and you'll be free. We're gonna rise, rise, rise. Keep on rising, rise.
Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. All the things that you do, in my head I paint a picture. Since I come home, when my body's real mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dance. Oh, won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me.
Tell you like it is with the kiss, baby, when it drips from your